Greek island of Chios may not be as vibrant as Mykonos, as scenic as Santorini, or as historic as Corfu, but its soil bears a secret which makes it special and unique in its very own way, and Chios locals have been making use of this treasure for thousands of years. The Pistacia lentiscus, also called the Mastic Tree, can be found all over Mediterranean Europe, but only on Chios it produces the valuable resin called Mastic Gum. The tree produces its resin in the short window between July and October, but the mastic harvest is a year-round operation. Early in the season, the stumps are covered with a white calcium carbonate powder, and then every 4 to 5 days, a few short incisions are made into the trunk, and these cuts allow the resin to flow out, which then hardens on the trunk and eventually falls to the ground. This process is repeated all throughout the summer and keeps the farmers very busy during this season. The hanging gum dries up in the shape of a teardrop, giving it the nickname Tears of Chios. The fallen nuggets are collected by hand, and just after the last harvest, the farmer families from Chios start cleaning the harvest of sand and other debris all throughout the following winter. In the following spring, the branches are pruned to increase the harvest of the next season, and the whole cycle starts over again. After cleaning, the valuable gum is sold off to a variety of manufacturing companies, ranging from food producers for chewing gum, desserts and spices, distilleries for liquor, cosmetics companies for soaps, perfumes and body lotions, and recently its potential usage for pharmaceuticals is being researched by a dedicated research facility right on the island of Chios. Historically, it's been a major part of Chios' economy, and the rare gum has been used since ancient times by the Romans as a treatment for bad breath, and even to embalm ancient Egyptian pharaohs. Its broad use and rarity due to the lengthy and labor-intensive harvesting process still make it a lucrative venture for local farmers, and the Chios Mastic Museum pays tribute to the cultural and historical impact of the Mastic Tree on the history of Greece and Chios. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, consider subscribing and leave a like. Cheers!